Bless up. What were you saying?
You want me to ruin the entire recording?
Yeah, of course. I just.
Wait, really?
Yeah. No sarcasm whatsoever. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Why not? I
Dude,
just.
if I did it.
It's swell. I love it. Yeah, of course.
And you did.
Alright, I'll be home in 30 minutes.
Hey, Eric, that's all I wanted. Thank you, Eric.
You have to go home.
I don't have to. I'll be home in 30 minutes from there.
At least you're not gonna get pink eyed this time.
I don't know, man.
What? I mean, you could just fart on your face. What is wrong with that, man?
Is that gassed up, Nico?
That is gassed up, Migo, man.
Hey, check out I gassed up, Nico.
I like it.
Tell your siblings.
Oh, I don't think you want to do that.
Alright, it's kid friendly.
Aw. Of course.
I don't think you understand that it's kid. Hey, game started.
And was it E or my Q that I level up first? E or Q?
Which one's your bird thingy?
Oh, Q.
I'm 5 steps ahead of you.
You said what?
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
I'm buying his eye. Oh.
That's good. Wait, you said Q?
Which one's your bird?
Q.
And yeah, your Q. Gordon, sir, the game started.
30 seconds.
And Aaron's record.
Bless! Oh,
Not really.
bless. Oh, Barry. Bless up.
Gordon.
What's he?
We approach strategically from the
What's he
flank.
doing?
On the
Oh, who
floor.
am I kidding? Let's just morph and eat them. If we approach
He's not gonna fight?
strategically from the flank. Oh, who am I kidding? Let's just morph and eat them. If we approach strategically from the flank. Oh, who am I kidding? Let's just morph
Gordon,
and
the
eat them.
minions are spawning.
Oh.
That's gonna spawn in 24 minutes.
Okay, you know what?
Why?
You just do it.
Oh,
Oh.
who am I kidding? Let's just
No, you're
morph and eat them.
connected, so you can't.
I like that. Turn off your macros. You.
My thoughts exactly.
Eric, that's you, man.
I'm not actually not even I'm clicking.
Oh no, Eric.
If you insist.
You didn't hold tab.
I think he's gonna say that every game.
A calculated risk.
Ooh.
Efficient strategy.
I like that. Oh, there's a Shaco. Oh.
I saw.
Already half health. You want me to come?
Yeah.
Dang.
Efficient strategy.
Damn.
That's true. Now I'm gonna camp the fuck out of him.
Alright. Oh, yeah, I'm coming.
My thoughts.
Yeah, just keep staying in here, I guess.
Can't do nothing.
You good. Just keep walking. I feel like Shaco's still near.
That's good.
No, Eric, that's really not.
Actually, it is.
That's annoying.
Let's use some like.
They ain't go red yet. I'm gonna just go take it. We have time to worry.
Ooh, 170 ping. I don't like that.
Should I wait for his blue or should I?
First blood.
First blood.
Go.
If you insist.
No, you gotta go.
Has been slain.
And you live. That's good. Oh Jesus. That's what happened.
And she got blue.
Wait. Oh god.
Hey, give it to Velcog.
Oh, give it to Vel. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a dead Velcos.
So you didn't give him blue ball?
No, I didn't give him blue buff, Eric. Yeah. Why would I give him blue buff? Please tell me.
You have to be nice.
I have to be nice, he says.
Victory awaits.
I'm not diving that.
Oh, dang, Shaco.
Oh shit.
Oh, snap. He's dead. He's so dead. So. Ah, bless.
Draco, the most useless jungler. Like a useless jungler.
Eric, what do you mean useless? He's useful.
Don't you want to listen?
My destination
I
is
know his
absolute.
name, man. How do you?
Don't you learn your lesson? I know they mad at you for feeding. Eric, stop bullying him. You're gonna get reported.
Exactly.
What is wrong with you, man?
Thank you. This is your third time, dude.
You're gonna get reported, bro. Chill out, man. You're hurting his feelings.
See, now I got fucking work.
Everything.
Ward everything. Key to success. Dang. Alright, we good. I got it. Dang.
Oh!
Oh, he knows.
Oh my.
Oh, he flashed!
The orange.
The orange?
He inhaled it.
Eric, I don't think he inhales oranges.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
And if you try, you can. If you try, you can do
I'm
anything.
pretty sure you eat an orange.
Oh! That's a free kill.
How did I miss both those? Oh.
Has been slain.
He really is. Oh, here we go.
Here we go again.
Here we go again.
An enemy has been slain.
Ah, Shaco, you gotta learn your lesson.
He doesn't learn.
He's smart too early, too.
He's 0-3.
Even better.
Dude, this. You don't learn this lesson.
That's good for you. You're gonna get fed off of him.
This is the third, fourth time he tried copying.
And look what happened.
That's all.
I like it.
Is absolute.
What elo is this? He said.
What? Wait, what is Randy?
No, that'd be him 1v1 too. He won't be Yasuo.
Dude,
Dispatch these worms.
Free to play Yasuo. Wait, who's a better Yasuo, you or him?
Okay. We won't get 1v1 Yasuo to kill him.
Damn.
oh, hey, Eric.
Yeah, I see. I'm on my way. Yeah, watch out, Velka's on the way.
I can't do nothing.
No, you good. Run. I was trying to hold them back. What are you doing?
Oh, crap. there, B.
Run, just keep running, man.
Now I'm gonna go extra far.
Just in case.
You know what? Like, I'm gonna just walk back.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, bro, I hit directly at it.
I missed all my skill shots. That's what.
Fuck you, Hellfire.
I'm half. I was hustling at the store. Trying. Oh, you got to me. Go quickly, dude.
Bless.
Hey, man. Even though it was bad, you still got support.
Yeah, support it, man.
I have to support the industry.
Support it.
Sorry, my bad. I'll go
Sure.
support it right now. Not bad.
An enemy has
Damn, what are you doing all the way over there?
True.
You.
Oh, I killed him and now I'm getting farmed.
Randy's being weird today.
I ain't being weird again.
Hey.
You're being very aggressive today. I'm trying to push out the way. I got you.
I'm just trying to get farmed. And look.
All the way up from there?
My minions look at tower from the other way.
Oh well. Eric, just get the tower.
My minions are getting it. Look,
Hey, yo, be back.
they're just for farm.
Be back, sorry.
I got him. Good looks.
I'm like, yeah,
I like that, Gordon. I like that.
I didn't want to go in because that would have been a waste.
Oh, yeah, watch out, Shaco.
The Nox is not
I
done.
don't know where Shaco is.
Jake, right here.
I can't. I didn't push the lane. Hold on. Oh. Oh, wow. My Q goes off last second.
Because
an ally has been slain.
dude, he's so low.
Oh, hell no.
I got. Look to me.
Damn. Chill out.
Jake ain't getting there.
Nigga, that's not good. Oh, I think I messed it up.
That's good. Hex Tech Geo. Yeah.
It was just too much fucking shit.
Is the Hex Tech still good?
Hell yeah.
Oh, you wanna build a roll?
Should I?
Yeah. But don't be a Jay and sell it.
I didn't. I undid it. Don't worry.
No, I mean, just finish it. Wait.
I got my whole row.
Oh, like you had enough go for the thing?
Yeah, I was just in the fountain. I was just seeing which one again. I accidentally got that one, and then
They had Emma go?
yes, sir. Cause you came to my lane. I like that.
Man, that was the perfect ass gun too.
It was. And then I flashed, and then I got the kill. And there's Belcause at mid. And Belcause is dead. And shit goes. Oh,
An enemy has been slain.
dang, what is happening?
I'm just trying to get farm and keep it really.
Oh, I'm talking about bot lane. Eric, just. Oh my. You could have gotten the tower sooner.
I'm thinking about it. We still got first tower goal. Or at least I do.
Oh,
Your turret
On
has
me,
been
Aaron.
destroyed.
yes, all you, Eric. My bad. All you.
I don't think I can go through this well, can I?
My bird is
Somebody get Jin. Somebody get him. Eric, right there, free kill. Shaco.
Team has destroyed a turret.
Oh, damn.
An enemy
But that's gay.
Unstoppable.
Damn. Hold on. Vel'Koz is coming. I'm coming.
Wait, you fall.
Wait, you didn't spawn her?
I didn't have my stun. I was getting Vel'Koz.
Wait,
You're the one. What do you mean? What do you want me to do about that?
you're dead. Fucking retard.
Oh no.
What's up?
Oh!
Oh! I escaped! Oh!
You're supposed to die.
Oh, I'm supposed to die!
You're
Oh,
supposed to-
Eric, you are just such a good friend.
I'm not really-
Honestly.
Oh!
An
You know, 9 out of 10, you're a good friend, man. You're a really good friend. I couldn't have asked a better friend like you. Wishing your friend could die.
dominating.
Somebody get him. No?
Victory awaits.
Oh my god, so many freaking boxes. Where'd he go?
Nowhere to be found. Oh.
Over there.
My thoughts exactly.
Oh well.
Well, that is fun. I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, over there.
Oh. Shaco. I think Shaco gave up.
Dude, on the phone.
Oh. Damn.
I got outplayed.
Damn.
I got outplayed.
That's fine. We still got the kill.
I got outplayed. I remember it happened. Oh, those trying to get yes.
Yes, boy. I like that. And bot lane's pushing,
5 steps in.
top lane's pushing, mid lane's pushing. I like it.
An enemy has been slain. Godlike.
Man, everyone's doing good.
Efficient strategy.
Oh.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Time to get blue. Oh! Dang, bro, all these boxes, bro.
Hell yeah.
Bro, I hate the boxes.
Calculate.
I love the boxes.
No, Eric, I don't think I like the boxes.
Why not?
You know, I appreciate the offer, but I don't like it.
Rampage.
Rampage. Oh shit. Damn. It's a big ass spider. There we go, mid lane tower.
Shut down.
No, I don't want.
No. Oh. Oh. Damn. I'm on my way. Jinx is alive.
Hey, you want me? I should teleport into.
Can you teleport to their fountain, Eric?
I'll teleport it there. Okay.
Thank you, Eric.
What the fuck was that? Oh.
are you doing? Oh no! Oh man.
I like the burn hurt all the
Oh no! Oh, shut down. There, you got this. Oh, Randy might. Damn.
Has destroyed a turret.
Right there, right there, right there. Who? Gordon, get the farm. The top lane farm. Where you going?
Shut down. Killing spree.
Killing spree.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Good turn. What's up with Randy today? Eric, that's your friend. What's wrong with him?
I don't know.
He's always like, always toxic. For what?
What do you mean toxic?
Well, he keeps talking about Shaco. What's going on?
Nothing toxic.
That's just positivity, right?
He's just doing better than you.
Yeah. Plus. Good for him.
I'm scared to move. We're gonna come back.
Oh, they know.
I'm scared to move, he says.
It's okay, Shaco will come. Let's go. There he is.
How reassuring.
Ah, goodbye. Oh, he drank water.
Aww. Damn.
Well, I could.
I stepped up. He's just trying to escape North Korea.
Oh.
I know he's just trying to escape South Korea. What's wrong with that?
South. Okay.
Eric, I buy it right now.
If you insist.
I'm on my way.
I can't wait. I'm waiting for that thresh game.
What's wrong?
But, bro, that's stank. What?
Your heart.
No.
Pink eye. Eric, it's the second coming.
Love the second coming. It's great.
It's about to go inside your eyes, through your nose.
Aaron, look at me.
Wait, hold on. I like it. Good job, Eric. You achieved your goal. Oh! Come on, guys.
Where am I going?
Jinx.
Don't end it.
I don't really care. I'm gonna end it. That's too bad, Randy. That's too bad. It's just too bad.
No?
What do you mean, no? We're gonna end it, or...
Oh!
GG, guys. That was a fun card.
Dang, I have no mana.
Aaron!
I have no mana.
Aaron, can you stop trolling?
I'm not trolling. Ow.
Oh, there you go, trolling.
Ha. Help. Help.
Oh, trolling, man.
Help, Eric. Oh!
Has been
That's
slain.
pushing me out. I remember it.
Alright, you got this. Oh, hell. He missed every heal.
And
Just end. Minions will end for it. I like it. Triple kill! Oh! Victory!
selling free Gucci slides.
Victory, Gucci slides.
Big Gucci slides. Anybody want to buy?
Ah, bless.
Somebody gets it on.
No, he said nobody gets an honor.
Nobody.